After our discovery dive, we decided we just had to complete our open water course. So we were in the shop signing up, but first we had to do the online course, which took us 2 days. Having successfully passed the online course, we then had to wait another couple of days before we could go down to the quay and start our instruction.
Look at that. That's disgusting. Don't come close to me. Don't you come close to me, yeah? Why is he here?
Learning to dive is less about how to swim underwater and more about safety procedures, how to enter the water safely, how to communicate with your buddy diver, and what happens if you lose your mask or run out of air. It is all preparational training just in case an accident happens. Once you have mastered the techniques and passed the course, the amazing underwater vistas just open up for you.
Big mess on the boat again.
Yep.
Simon is trying to take the big filter off the water maker to clean. It's not coming out.
Not even sure what you're supposed to do with this, but it's kind of got to a point whereby is it going to work without doing something? It's got bunged up.
Oops. It's different than the others, this one.
Yeah, this is a high pressure one. As we were paying our mooring fees, we came across this rather interesting, if not distasteful, design for a yacht. Aquaspace was first launched in 1982. This aluminium trimaran with a transparent central hull, 20 metres long, was designed to take 18 people into the very heart of the ocean and allow continuous observation of underwater life. I was informed the yacht was designed in conjunction with Jacques Cousteau and used in some of his filmmaking. You wouldn't see anything out of the windows and the hull, they're just all ruined.
So we are in a bit of a crisis here because The water maker. What happened?
High pressure hose came off. I obviously hadn't put it on properly. And it's filled this up with water. All the video equipment as well. So we nearly lost our camera. It had a bit of a flood. The bag saved it. So the pipe. I didn't put the pipe on the back of the high pressure hose pipe back on properly. And it was filled everything up, didn't it?
It was quick.
There was 3 gallons in there. So oh dear, what a mess.
Okay, so here's the thing. We were supposed to leave today first light in the morning. Yeah, Monday. But what happened?
Immigration.
No, we forgot to check out
yesterday.
yesterday.
Forgot to check out yesterday, and so we said to come at 6:30 this morning.
6 o'clock. They said they would be here at 6 o'clock. So, and they were, except immigration.
Immigration, 7. So we'll be sitting there for an hour. Do you know what the very nice lady did? She made me a cup of coffee.
That's enough to make him happy.
I thought that was really nice of her to make me a cup of coffee while I was sitting waiting.
But I don't drink another coffee.
I know you don't.
I was bored.
It was Dutch coffee as well.
So now we're going to rock to the boat and leave.
We're leaving now. We're going to get to the boat.
Leave now.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you. Got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you.
Bye, Bonaire.
Escaping your pain now. You break down. You're drained now. Your heart pounds. Your lips move. Your eyes shine. You lose it all. Wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you. Escaping your pain now. You break down. You're drained now. Your heart pounds. Your lips move, your eyes shine, you lose it all. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions, now you sail away. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions, now you sail away. Escaping your pain now. You break down. You're drained now. Your heart pounds. Your lips move. Your eyes shine. You lose it all. Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you. Got to love you. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away.
Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video where we finally learned how to dive.
Yeah, and what a fantastic experience it really was. Having done the first sort of experience diving, we just went, you know what, we're here in Bonaire, We
That's
just got to do
the
it.
best place to do it, and it was the best place to do it. The water is just so beautiful, and we really got into it, didn't we?
It was just absolutely tremendous. I never thought I would have any inclination to wanting to dive, and I always thought I'd be really scared and all that sort of thing, but the training was really good.
The training was very good, and we have been in other schools so far because we still don't have equipment, so we need to rent equipment with the school, so we end up going with them. And now we can assure that in Bonaire was the best, the best training, wasn't it?
It was absolutely stunning. The whole environment, the fact you could just walk off the beach and go diving was absolutely incredible. And to be fair, Dive Friends Bonaire did an excellent job of training us. So we've been going again. So we're going to bring you more diving.
Yeah, because we made a promise to ourselves. Every place we stop, we go diving.
Yeah, we will.
That is a promise. So we won't be, leaving behind and then not going again. We really want to do this. So we really want to buy the equipment. We just didn't get the chance yet.
No. We will do.
Yeah, we will do. But,
And then we had a little problem with the old water maker. It's been cutting off after about 15 minutes, and I decided I'd strip the whole thing down and flush it all through and see if that made any difference. In fact, we worked it out in the end. It's down to the Karcher, which is the pressure washer we're using. And we will actually be installing a new pump in due course.
Yeah, so it's much better now.
Yeah, which I can tell you fixes the problem once and for all.
Yes.
It does.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we messed up by not checking out.
No, oh my gosh, we completely forgot. We just went like, we're forgetting something. We didn't check out.
No.
It was by 7 o'clock at night, so we couldn't do it that time anymore.
No. We could have gone to the airport. They are open 24 hours a day, but of course they don't necessarily are at the quay.
Yeah.
So this whole check-in and check-out basis really does sort of take over in the end, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's just something that you have to get through, and do it every single time. And it's just because they're all individual nations.
Yeah.
And
so
that's the way it is.
But it's very good because the ABC Islands, they don't charge you for check-in and check-out, which is very, very helpful.
Yeah, it is really. Yeah.
It's going to be being very expensive from now on.
Yeah, it is actually. When we get to Colombia, it's sort of around about $300 to $500 to check in and out of the country.
Yeah.
So then we had a cracking sail down to Curacao.
Yeah, amazing. It's just amazing, the sail downwind, isn't it?
These downwind sails in the trade winds are absolutely stunning, and it really is somewhere. It's a type of thing where the boat really does perform very well.
Yeah.
We have a fantastic sail, even dead downwind. We're probably much far better than you would on a monohull. There's a 737 coming in, noisy.
They just come in after like every 10 minutes.
Yeah. So the sailing has been absolutely fantastic for really quite a long time now. Certainly the whole way down through the Grenadines and up the Grenadines and back down.
It's been great.
Out to here. So
we are very happy with that.
And so the next couple of weeks we're going to bring you everything that we did in Curacao, including diving again. That's true. So please just leave your comment below. And all the likes and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, do subscribe. It would be really good because there's going to be times coming up when we won't be able to publish it so much because we will be on our sat phone.
Yes.
And so if you subscribe, you'll automatically get a warning that we've got a new video out.
Yeah, yeah, that would be great. So, thank you very much.
Bye for now.
Bye.